Welcome back. In Module 1, you learned a vital skill: how to identify what's valuable in your business, your digital assets. You made your list. You know what you own. Now, it's time to ask the next logical question. Who wants these assets, and how might they try to take them? Welcome to Module 2, the Attacker's Playbook. Let's be clear about the purpose of this module right from the start. This is about awareness, not technical mastery. We are not turning you into a hacker. Not at all. Instead, we are going to pull back the curtain. We're going to show you the most common tricks, the typical steps, the basic playbook that attackers use. Think of it like learning the fundamental rules of a sport. You don't need to be a professional player to understand how the game is played, how points are scored, or what the common strategies are. By understanding their playbook, you can better predict their moves and block them. Let's demystify how attacks actually happen. So, what is this module designed to do? It's designed to shift your perspective. By the end, you will be able to do 4 key things. First, you will understand the typical step-by-step process of a cyber attack, from the very beginning to the damaging end. It's usually not a single event, but a chain. Second, you will be able to recognize the 4 most common types of attacks you are likely to face as a modern business. We'll name them and explain them in plain English. Third, and this is crucial, you will see why the vast majority of successful attacks exploit human and process gaps, our mistakes and our oversights, not just fancy cutting-edge technology. And fourth, you'll learn how security professionals use a globally recognized map called the MITRE ATT&CK framework to break down this entire playbook into understandable stages. It's not as complex as it sounds. This knowledge is powerful. It transforms cybersecurity from an abstract, scary worry into a set of predictable patterns that you can learn to recognize and guard against. You're moving from being in the dark to turning on the lights.